2018 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.